Hey guys, subscribe to Daisy Gang. She's in my channel this. And as I promised, today I'm gonna teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. But I'm gonna try. If it doesn't work, just let me know in the comments down below. And
she is more pretty.
So, don't look at my stinky feet.
It broke.
And
we got another one.
So
it's pretty. We need to come too.
So the first step of solving the Rubik's cubes is knowing all the letters. U is up. So U is just clockwise, so you turn to the left. That looks like I turned to the right, but that's because of the camera. So turn to the left. Okay. After U prime is just counterclockwise. So turn to the right. R is up, R prime is down, L is up, L prime is down, B is to the left, B prime is to the right. So first, the second step is to learn the colors. So there are 6 sides, 6 colors of course, and there are different colors of course. And then the opposite of orange will be red because they're like the middle colors. The opposite of green will be blue because they're like the darkest colors. And the opposite of white will be yellow because they're the lightest colors. So you just need to solve the cross now. And we need to solve a cross, like I just said. So I'm going to just solve a cross. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do different kinds of parts, because like it won't be long enough because I only have 15 minutes for each video, and it's kind of hard to talk. Okay, so orange is always next to green and blue. Blue is always next to orange and red. Red is always next to blue and green. Green is always next to red and orange. So we just need to solve it. So first thing is you have a white right here, and there's orange right here. So since it's white, you turn it all the way around to make the white and the green right here at the white. So all you do is just bring it. Yeah. So all you just do is just you have to. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. So you have the white and the green right here. You turn it the right first, and then turn the green and the white to the left 2 times, and you take the right side, the R, and bring it down 2 times, and then bring back green. What? Oh, there we go. And since this is so this one is white, orange, and red. White, white, green, and red. I don't know my colors. Sorry about that. I do. So white goes up here, red goes right here, and green goes right here. So all we do is bring it down, turn to the left. No, bring it down. Just bring it down 2 times, bring it to the left, and bring it back up. So it goes to this slot. So we finally found a red. Well, we're just gonna solve the white first. And then we're gonna solve the whole Rubik's Cube in the next video. Okay, guys? So this is just what I do. So you could either choose this way. So you have the white. Right here. There's nothing right here. There could be another white right here, and the other color, the other white is right here, and the other color is right here. And I gotta look at this. Oh. Okay, so so you need to put the white right here, and the green right here. So you just bring this down and bring the middle to the right and bring this top back up. So we're gonna have one more color, the blue. So the center is right here. The middle right here. So we just bring it up to put it across. So we got the cross, and then we need to do this again. So just R prime. Oh, I don't know the bottom. Well, just, you know what to do on this part. Orange, blue, white. White needs to go up here because it has orange.
Just need this one.
There we go. And it has orange, it has blue, and it has white. So this one obviously needs to go right here. Too close to the camera, sorry about that. I don't want to get rude from people roasting me. They're like, oh my gosh, Chris, you're too close to the camera. So I don't want to get in that business, but I want to. But people, they're too famous. They don't know about us. So bring this down bring this down, bring the bottom to the right, where this is. Same thing to this one.
Natalie,
Bring it down, bring
come
it
bring the
up.
boy. Huh? Bring
But
the boy. Ew!
if it's right here,
Hurry!
if it's right here, do the same thing. If it's right here, do the same thing to this one.
That looks like her.
So it could go either right here or either right
Looks
here.
like her, but in a
And
bun.
then
Her hair's in a bun.
just do it again. Yep, the color always needs to stay right here and right here. So this one could go up
The girl
here.
that has the bun and the
So
baby suit.
down, to the right, and up.
She's
So we
happy,
solved
okay,
the
Natalie? Your
So
mom
we
seems
solved
happy.
the weight.